The King-Devick Reading Acceleration Program has been proven to increase reading performance by teaching the physical act of reading. This tutorial goes through how to get started and use the King-Devick Reading Acceleration Program, or RAP. Confirm you have a reliable internet or Wi-Fi connection. Launch your web browser and enter app.readingacceleration.com. Log in with your KD-RAP administrator username and password. If you have forgotten or do not have your password, you may reset it by clicking Forgot Your Password. After logging in for the first time, you will be prompted to calibrate your screen. You may also calibrate your screen by clicking on Settings in the toolbar. Select Use Ruler or Use Letter Page. Hold up a ruler or letter page to your computer screen to match the display in the left corner. Drag the displayed ruler or letter page from the right to match the size of your ruler or letter page. When the horizontal distance matches, click Done. Note you only need to calibrate your screen once, but calibration should be repeated when using a different computer. The Class Details page shows up next and allows you to view your students in each class, import students, or add a class. Click Add Class to add a new class to your account and organize your existing students into the class. Enter the class name, add students to the class, then Create to save the new class. Click Print to view and print a class report. Click on a class from the left column, then View Students to view students in the selected class. To edit an existing class, click Edit. Edit the class name, add or remove students, then click Save Changes to return to the class page. The upper toolbar displays classes where you can view current classes or add classes to your account. Click on Instructors to view your account instructors who are RAP supervisors. The dashboard provides you with a quick view of your account details and importing and exporting functions. Click on Settings to calibrate RAP to your computer screen. The Help page provides you with frequently asked questions, RAP support, phone and email contact information, the RAP manual, Chat Live with a RAP expert during business hours. Click Log Out to securely log out of your account. As a RAP administrator, you are able to add new students to your account. Instructors do not have access to adding students. To add a new student, click on Classes from the toolbar. Click View Students, then Add Student. To add a new student to an existing class, select the desired class, then click Add Student. Enter the student's first and last name, student ID, and date of birth. Select the checkbox if the student wears glasses or contact lenses. Checking the Require Quick Assessment box allows you to run an assessment to determine an appropriate beginning RAP practice speed. Unchecking the Quick Assessment box allows you to manually set the initial speed in numbers per minute. Check the Practice Accuracy checkbox when adding a new student to allow RAP to use your device microphone and speech technology to provide automatic accuracy estimates during your student's practice. Enter the student username and password the student will use to log in. Click Create when complete. The new student will appear in the student list. To add multiple students to your account, click on Classes from the toolbar, then Import Students. Follow the displayed instructions to complete and upload your CSV file, and the new students will import into your account. Edit existing student details to reset a student's password, archive a student, or set student goals. Select the student from the student list and click Edit. Check the Practice Accuracy checkbox to automatically display accuracy following RAP practice. Set student goals for weekly practice, such as 15 minutes each day, 4 days a week. Refer to the Protocol section of the RAP manual for recommended practice schedules, which you can access from the Help page. Set daily, weekly, and number per minute goals. You may also reset a student's password within the Edit section. Archive a student removes a student from the student list and is useful for students that have completed RAP and are no longer practicing. Archive students may be reactivated at a later time. Make further necessary changes to the student's details. Then click Save Changes to save and return to the student profile. The goals will be displayed on the student's profile and gauges will reflect weekly status and progress towards the goals. The student's profile page displays student details. Print the student's details by clicking Print. Click Edit to edit student details. The speedometer displays practice speed and is adjustable as the student improves. The assessment allows a supervisor to assess the student's accuracy at a specific practice speed. Click Practice to start RAP practice. Scroll down to view student details and statistics. Click Details to view a complete table of the students' practice sessions and assessments. As the administrator of your account, you may add instructors that have separate logins and full or limited visibility of students by class. To view and add instructors, click Instructors from the toolbar. Current instructors are displayed on the left. To add a new instructor, click Add Instructor. Enter instructor details, including username, recovery email, first and last name. Check the box User can access all students, including adding and editing them, to give the user access to all students. Select the classes the instructor may access. Click Create to add the instructor and return to the account page. The new instructor will receive a welcome email that includes instructions and a link to set their password. To edit instructor details, select the instructor from the left pane instructor list. Click Edit. Make any necessary changes to instructor details. Maintenance of your account allows you to import and export data. Importing data allows for quickly importing instructors, students, and classes into your WRAP account. Click Dashboard from the toolbar. Click Import Instructors to add multiple instructors to your account. Click Import Students to add multiple students to your account. Use the sample CSV file available in the instructions to organize your instructors or students and classes. Follow the data import process to complete the import. Export data allows you to quickly download and export your current account data. Click Data Export to automatically begin downloading as an Excel file. For a new student, the Quick Assessment assists in determining an appropriate beginning WRAP practice speed. Select the student awaiting Quick Assessment from the student list. Click Quick Assessment. Read the Quick Assessment instructions. For score sheets, click Assessment Key. Use the Quick Assessment Key to keep track of the student's errors during the test. Direct the student to read the numbers left to right as quickly and accurately as possible. Click Start Quick Assessment to begin. Enter the number of errors on the results page and click Continue. The student's recommended starting speed is displayed. Click Continue to return to the student's profile page. The speedometer is adjusted to the recommended starting speed and the student is ready to begin practice. If you choose to manually adjust your student's starting practice speed, click Faster or Slower on the speedometer or click and drag the speedometer needle to the desired speed. Once the speed is set on the speedometer, click Practice. When practice begins, the student says each number aloud as it appears on the screen. The goal is for the student to practice at the fastest speed possible without errors. If the student cannot keep up at a given speed, adjust to a slower speed until the student is able to achieve 100% accuracy. After the first practice card, a break card will appear. Click Next to continue practicing with the second practice card. Repeat to begin practice with the third practice card. After one practice round or 3 practice cards, select how you would like to proceed, then click Continue. Students should finish the practice session after reaching the goal for that day in total minutes as indicated on the goal gauge in their profile. All practice sessions are logged and saved in the student's profile. View student practice details within your administrative account. You may change the student's goals at any time by clicking on the Edit button. Saved changes will be viewed in the student's profile page. The Practice Accuracy Check feature uses your device microphone and speech technology to provide automatic accuracy estimates during your student's WRAP practice. In order for the student to use the Practice Accuracy Check feature, the box must be selected in the student's profile, which is under the Edit section. The Practice Accuracy Check feature can be toggled on or off. If you have the Practice Accuracy Check feature turned on, following completion of 1 practice round or 3 practice cards, the estimated accuracy percentage based on accuracy check results will display. Try to aim for 100% accuracy before increasing the practice speed. Subjects may also complete WRAP practice by using the companion King-Devick Reading Acceleration Program Practice app from the iTunes App Store. Students' WRAP practice using the app automatically syncs with the student's account. The administrator will be able to view all practice sessions. Please note only students can log into the practice app. Administrators and instructors must log in to WRAP via the website app.readingacceleration.com. Run assessments to assess student accuracy at a specific speed. Select the student from the student list that you would like to test. Click Assessment, Then click Assessment Key to keep track of errors during the assessment. Read the instructions displayed. You can adjust the speed of presentation by clicking slower or faster. Instruct the student to call out the numbers quickly and accurately as they are displayed. To begin the assessment, click on an assessment set, A through J. Be sure to have the corresponding score sheet to check for errors. After completing the assessment, enter the number of errors, tester's initials, and any comments. Click Continue to save. The results will display. Adjust the student's practice speed based on accuracy performance. If accuracy was 100%, the student may be ready to increase to a faster speed, while reduced accuracy indicates the speed is too fast and should be adjusted slower. For assistance with the Reading Acceleration Program, click Help in the toolbar. Email, call, or live chat for resolving any technical issues. Thank you for using the King-Devick Reading Acceleration Program in teaching your students the physical act of reading.